Good afternoon. I have just installed the MetaTrader 5 application, and at this moment, I would like to integrate the MaxPower Risk Management application. So, MaxPower Risk Management is downloaded here, and we will integrate it into MetaTrader 5. The first step is to go to Files in MetaTrader 5, then click on Open Data Folder. We will go into the MQL5 folder, then into the Experts folder, and inside this folder, we will paste the MaxPower Risk Management application. So we copy the application into the Experts folder. Now, in MetaTrader 5, we will right-click on Expert Advisors and then click Refresh. After the refresh, the MaxPower Risk Management application will appear in the MetaTrader 5 menu. We enable Algo Trading. Now you drag and drop the MaxPower application into the MetaTrader 5 chart and enable Allow DLL imports. We have a first alert informing us that we need to go to Tools Arrow Options, Arrow Expert Advisors to enable WebRequests, and add the link from the alert as a reference. We will copy the link from the alert. Now we go to Tools, Options. We go to the Expert Advisors tab. We can disable these two checkboxes. We will enable Allow DLL imports and allow web requests for listed URLs. And now we will add the reference from the initial alert. After we have successfully completed these steps, we can log into the application using the email address and password that we also use when logging into the website. Now we enter the email and password that we also use on the website. Then click Login. We have logged in successfully, and at this point, we can start using the MaxPower application in MetaTrader 5. The login is done only once, so there is no need to enter the username and password every time we open MetaTrader 5 and use the MaxPower application. In MetaTrader 5, we show all symbols so we can switch between the currency pair windows more easily using the MaxPower Risk Management application. We will refresh the symbols again because it seems they were not loaded correctly. And now we can open the first trade in MetaTrader 5 using the MaxPower Risk Management application. We set the entry price, stop loss, and take profit, and then open the trade. The application is working correctly. We hope you have a very profitable day.